Hey guys, get with RPM Diecast. This is my 8th time shooting this. I have tried to shoot this. I don't know how else to word it. Obviously, we're no longer at the shop anymore. I didn't get fired. I didn't quit. I stepped away for a few months. I got a job in a different city, so we're currently at my Airbnb. I'll be here till April, and then I'll be going back to the shop in April. Anyway, I got some old stuff I brought with me. I'll have more hunting videos now because Walmart here is stacked. I don't know if there's not a big Hot Wheels community, but the Walmart here is insane. And the dollar stores, it's all packed. So I'll take you on some hunting videos. I only get one day off a week, which sucks. I work 6 days a week, 12 hours a day. So getting videos out is going to be a little tough. But I got some stuff here. I got some stuff in my room. But yes, I miss Cam, I miss Jeff, I miss my homies from the shop, which sucks because they help out with these videos a lot. But yeah.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Let's get into it. So today I have the Boulevard #1. It is the Bone Shaker. For the #1 for this Boulevards. Now I'm aware there was another Boulevard where there was like a yellow Porsche that's super expensive right now and stuff, but for this Boulevard set, I think this is the the #1. I also got #20, the Nissan Skyline C10. These are both two cars that I do not have. I'm getting close to getting a pretty good amount of the Bone Shakers. Now there's some Walgreen exclusives I don't have that I'm gonna if you guys have them, let me know and I'll buy them because I'm desperately in need of one. But yes, that was loud. So we've got this one to start. It is the Bone Shaker. Real Riders, of course, as all as all Boulevards do. Chrome everywhere. Chrome. These are the Real Rider 5s. The Real Rider 5 spokes. Now both of these will be going on the spinner, just like old times. This is the C10, #20 for the Boulevards. I'm trying to be quiet. My roommates are sleeping. Look how low the wide body kit. Oh my, just a gorgeous car. Little 8-ball, looks like an 8-ball on the side for chasing jays. God, I love this. I've got almost all the C10s, almost. I need the first one and the second one, I think, are the two that I'm missing that they made, but I've got these two. Anyway, let's go put these on the spinner, then I'll be right back. We got the Boulevard #2, the Bone Shaker, the Larry Wood Classic. I love the design. It's all chrome, baby. It is a chrome dome. rear riders, obviously. I thought these doors opened like a dumbass. I was wreathing on the doors trying to get them open. Why? None of them open. Why? What? It must have been a long time shooting these videos because it's a Hot Wheel. Anyway, and the C210. Love it. Just so nice. I love these castings. Now these are going to end up staying here until I'm able to take them back to the shop, because that's where my whole collection still is. My whole collection is still at the shop. I'm leaving it there because obviously I'm going to end up back there. But I do miss my homies, Cam and Jeff especially. Shout out to you guys. You guys helped me a lot when I was doing these videos. But anyway, this felt so good to shoot. So thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, check out some of my other videos, and keep on collecting.